Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to fix Instagram an unexpected error problem on your Insta and you're looking out how to fix that issue, you may try out these solutions to fix it. So let's get started. We can start by first stopping the Instagram app. Hold the app for that and go to their info. And once you go to their info, you can scroll down and basically look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and tap on it and select the option of OK and force stop the app and try accessing the application once again. If not this, what you can do is you can just go over and clear the app's cache and data. For that also, you can hold the app and go to their info, and within their info you may just go over and scroll down and find the option for storage and tap on it, and from there you can look out for clear cache and also clear the data if necessary. That should also probably fix the issue. And also update your Instagram app. Go to Play Store for that, and once you go to Play Store, go to the search and you can search for Insta, and within Insta you can basically go ahead and look out for update. If there is any kind of update available, you can basically tap on update and install the latest version of the application, because outdating application can cause the compatibility issue. If not that, you can also install and reinstall the application. For that, you can hold the app and look out for the install option, confirm it up, and once you do so, you can head over to Play Store and install the application once again. That should also install the latest version of the Instagram and fix the unexpected error problem. Also, restart your phone. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. That should solve a temporary system glitches. And if Instagram servers are down, you'll have to wait them to fix the issue. So you can also check your server status, and for that you can also check their server status, and that's it. That should probably fix those issues that are happening. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.